So I spent about an hour looking for a video that would show me how to change the cover of this to a leather cover, because I'm changing the whole interior, but I wanted to change this as well. So I didn't really find a video, but what I did realize is that after playing around a little bit, if you just take your screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, just stick it up into this gap between the foam and then the plastic, and just pry up. It'll sound like it's breaking, but eventually it'll come off because it's held in by just a couple clips. So if you look right here, there's a clip there, this clip, this one, this one, this one, this one. So basically like 6 different clips, and that's what you have to pry up on just to get it open. So oh, actually it's 8 clips, so 2 more here, so 8 total clips. And it's basically what I did, and it came open. It's pretty useful. It's actually like doing well. So the console looks perfect, and now I'm just going to change the leather in there. Just fold over this